Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm in a barbecue right now. It's very dark here, but I'm just going to make a video because Bitcoin is pumping. Congratulations all of you. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Is just exploding exactly as I predicted. 47,225. Look at this move on Bitcoin. Huge pump off this second. Now we're in the second to third, and if you've been following my red trend line that I drew back on the 29th of February, you can see this red dotted line. Bitcoin has been following it perfectly. This I drew on the 29th of February, and Bitcoin is a little bit ahead of where I thought it would be. Already at 47,200, no pullback. Look at the buying volume that's coming in. What I think has happened is I think the ETFs, they ran out of, I think they bought a lot of Bitcoin on the bottom, and I think they ran out a lot quicker than they thought, and now they're buying spot Bitcoin, or there's a lot of just, you can see here, that's perpetual. So perpetual is a contract, but you can see Binance USDT, you can see the volume here. This is spot volume. You can see this massive increase of spot volume started around the 7th of February. Around the 7th of February, you can see these massive buys coming in. It's happening like huge buys. Look at this. It's these total, we're talking 4,300 Bitcoin, 4,700 Bitcoin, which I think is around $200 million. But my Bitcoin trades are pumping. I was one of these people that was buying the bottom, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade, 6 Bitcoin, $68,000, $69,000 in the profits. It just went up 69. Look at it go up 70,000, 71,000. Bitcoin is exploding, everyone. Congratulations. This account is pumping 549,000. Look at it go live 71. Just had a massive explosion. Let's see what just happened on the charts. That was just huge pump that just happened a minute ago. I'll open it here. You can see it on the charts. This is what happened just then. Wow, look at that. There was a huge buys came in. Look at these two buys. 8,000 and 6,000 Bitcoin. You can learn all this in the crypto master course, by the way. Underneath this video, go down below under the video. You can see here the exchanges that I use for trading. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use that exchange. That's the one I use for trading, and you get a lot of perks if you use my link and a lot of discounts in trading fees. And 2 is the courses. Crypto Master Course teaches you in-depth technical analysis, how to do these charts. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 traders. Bitcoin, look at that spike up. It just spiked up to 47,749. 49,000 is a big resistance area, but look at that. Look at this buying volume coming in. I'm going to release this. Congratulations, anyone who took trades. My Bitcoin trades $70,000 in the profits. This account, 547,000 in here. Bitcoin up 5-6% today and just exploding. I'm going to get this video out quickly. Congratulations to all of you. And let's look in the Telegram. People celebrating. Respect Guru. 1.1 Bitcoin in profit, already took 0.545 Bitcoin. You can just see here, everyone's celebrating. Join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together in here. 2,200 members live chat, 9,000 in the community chat. And everyone is just celebrating. This is just the last few minutes. These chats that you're seeing here, this all happened in the last few minutes. 61%, 95%. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'm so glad that we get to be on this journey together. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.